brave woman of faith. Oh God, you taught to talk and they say, Ishamo me ila to opo. Ngahita Yesu pray kuchepa. Yesu have yami te pagi. Shabe alo bila bio.